If you're over 40 and dealing with shoulder pain that just keeps coming back, this video is for you. At 45, my shoulders are completely pain-free after struggling for 15 years. I didn't fix it with injections, stretches, or complex exercises, just 5 simple movements. Let me show you how. Movement 1. Rotator cuff activation. You see, your shoulder has more muscles that work as a team, but when you spend your day hunched over a keyboard, checking your phone, sitting in meetings, these muscles go to sleep. So then, when you reach overhead, lift weights, or even put on a jacket, the shoulder moves without coordination, and that's when pain shows up. Grab a resistance band, use the lightest you can find, hold it with both hands. Turn your palms so they face up, like you're holding a tray. Your elbows bend at a right angle. Keep them glued to your sides. Now pull the band just a little bit. You should feel some stretch in the band. Your shoulders will turn out slightly. Good. Hold it there. Important. Don't push your elbows away from your body. We don't want to look like a chicken flapping its wing, which isn't bad, but not here. Keep those elbows stuck to your sides. Slowly raise both arms in front of you. Go as high as feels okay. Your hands and elbows should move together in a straight line. Then slowly lower back down. That's 1 rep. You should feel the burn in the muscles at the back of your shoulder. This movement helps your shoulder joints and muscles regain their ability to move as a team. And when all those muscles start working together, the pain disappears. If you need any extra help to build a mobility plan that actually works for you specifically, I'm offering free one-to-one calls throughout December. Click the link below to grab your spot. Now, let's get to the other movements. Movement 2. Scapular moves. Your shoulder blades are supposed to glide smoothly across your upper back, but most people's shoulder blades barely move at all. And when your shoulder blades don't move, your shoulder joint has to compensate for everything. That's when you get that pinching feeling. Get into a push-up position, hands under your shoulders, body in a straight line. Your arms stay straight the whole time, no elbow bending. Let your chest sink down between your shoulders. Your shoulder blades squeeze together. Now push the floor away. Your upper back rises towards the ceiling. Your shoulder blades spread wide apart. That's 1 rep. Too hard? Stand up. Reach 1 arm straight out. Elbow locked. Reach forward like you are touching a wall. Your shoulder blade slides forward. Pull it back towards your spine. Do 1 arm at a time, slowly. Keep your back straight. Don't hunch. This teaches your shoulder blades to move on their own. When they do their job, your shoulder joint gets a break. Movement 3. Thoracic rotation. When your upper back is stiff, your shoulder blades can't move properly, so your shoulders do all the work. That's when pain happens. Get down on your hands and knees. Put your hands right under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Take your right hand and place it behind your neck. Keep your left hand planted on the floor. Now rotate your right elbow down towards your left hand. You are closing up your body. Then open your chest by rotating the right elbow up towards the ceiling. Follow your elbow with your eyes. Down and close, up and open. Nice and smooth. Movement 4. Plank shoulder lock. If your shoulder feels weak, shaky, painful when you load it, such as when you're pushing, lifting, or holding weights, it usually means the joint isn't staying center. This movement teaches your shoulder how to stay strong and supported at the load, which is something most people completely miss. Get into a plank position, hands under your shoulders, body in a straight line. Keep your left hand planted on the ground. Rotate your body to the right, open up like a book towards the ceiling. Your right arm reaches up to the sky. Your chest and hips turn, but your left hand never moves. Feel your left shoulder working hard. Rotate back and down, then switch sides. Movement 5. Full range reset. Stand up straight. Bring your arms out in front at chest height while locking your fingers together like you're diving. Round your upper back, spread your shoulder blades wide, tuck your chin down like you're hugging a giant beach ball. Now reverse it. Open your arms wide to the sides, make a T shape. Squeeze your shoulder blades together, lift your chest, arch your upper back gently. Your head tilts back slightly. That's 1 full cycle. Forward and round, open and arch. Most people only live in 1 position. Hunch forward. This movement reminds your nervous system that your shoulders are designed to move freely in all directions. If you need any help to build a strength and mobility plan that actually works for you specifically, I'm offering free calls until December 31st. Click the link below to get your free spot. And to keep the momentum going, check out the next video YouTube is recommending for you. Thanks for watching, stay moving, and take care.